Hechanova, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see, ginhungod ko siya, so don't mind. It's because I'm gonna be transforming into an Asian baby girl, an ABG, Asian bad girl, whatever you call it. But anyway, if you don't know what ABG is, I'm gonna search it up for you. So ABG is a special type of Asian girl who enjoys going to clubs, partying, and drinking with friends. Loves to get boba and shop. Usually an Instagram model or influencer. Super famous on Instagram or TikToks. I'm not. So there are a lot of definition for ABG, and to all that definition, I'm definitely not an ABG. But I actually want to transform myself also into a soft girl soon. So if you're wondering why I look like this, it's because para like transform talaga after the video. I mean after the makeup, but I don't know if I can definitely pull it off or not. So without further ado, let's get started. So I will be using Face Republic's products, and at the same time, I will be reviewing it. So I have here the Face Republic starter pack or starter kit, and also their new product, which is yung sunscreen. It will be the first time that I will be using it because of course I'm not going out of the house. So the first thing is of course moisturizer. So I will be using Face Republic's Crystal Glow Whitening Cream. So this is a 2 ml sachet. I love how lightweight it is kasi I am that kind of girl na ayaw talagang like mag-moisturizer noon. And you know, I really hate that sticky feeling. Pero dito sa moisturizer nila, like hindi talaga. Like I really like how lightweight it is and super comfortable lang. And actually, I've heard a lot of feedbacks, good feedbacks or good reviews with their new product. So I'm very excited to use this. This is the Purity Sun Essence. So SPF 50 plus and PA plus. So apat talaga yung plus niya. So this is extra lightweight for daily use. It has non-nano mineral filter, clean and mild formula lang siya. And this product is reef safe and ocean friendly. So I'm very happy when I found out na this product does not contain any ingredients that is harmful for our marine life. As a scuba diver, approved. You guys should definitely use products that will not threaten the ocean ecosystem, like Face Republic. The next one that I will use is the Face Republic Perfect Cover BB Cream. So this will be the first time that I will use their BB cream because I'm actually using foundation. It aims to cover blemishes and even out your skin tone for a perfectly flawless skin. So let's try. So I will not put primer na. I will just use BB cream directly to the BB cream. So actually, as far as I can see, it doesn't really cover the blemishes of your face like fully. Like hindi siya full coverage, like medium coverage lang siya. So one fun fact, actually hindi ako karunong mag-makeup. So the next one I'm gonna use is a concealer. So it's the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. I'm just gonna conceal. So I'm gonna conceal ng Face Republic. So now I'm gonna do my brows, and actually I love how I do my brows lately, so I'm gonna just upload like an in-depth video about it. But right now I have here, it's actually a glue, it's not a brow soap or what. Next I'm gonna put the Maybelline Brow Drama Pro Palette. So next one I'm gonna use the BTLA Loose Powder. I'm gonna conceal my eyes before putting the eye makeup. For the eye makeup, I'm gonna use this shade. So the brand is Sun. Just was just a gift for me kasi yung more palette ko, kinuha ng sister ko. So I don't have any palette right now. First, after this shade, I'm just gonna go with this shade, like a darker brown one. Next, I'm gonna be putting up like a rose gold one, this one. So next, I'm gonna put the eyeliner. I look like a cat. I'm gonna put mascara. Next is I'm gonna be putting a bronzer. So it's the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. And I will contour my nose using my brow palette because I don't have a contour. Well, this works well naman. Let's use this. Actually turned out well. So for my lips, I'm gonna be using the Ever Bilana Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Toast of New York. So I'm just gonna add some gloss on it. Did I do well? I am actually happy with the result. Yeah, I didn't think I could pull off the eye makeup. It's because, as you can see earlier, like parang hirap na hirap talaga ako. No, hindi parang hirap na hirap talaga ako. And you know guys, I'm not that good in makeup. I admit it. I really need more practice. Actually, this is my first bold makeup that I did. And I can't wait to put on the fake tattoos. And actually, dapat my fake nails. Hindi naman kita sa picture, so I won't be using it. Because it damages my nails every time I use it. Especially sa glue niya. So I'm just gonna wipe this a bit. Okay, like super grabe yung red niya. So I'm topping it off with the Sun's Face Nudist. This is my go-to lipstick talaga. And yung vacay. I feel so happy with the result. Like super stress ako kanina sa eyeliner kasi hindi pantay. And I think hindi pantay pa rin like right now. Pero I don't wanna erase it later. Regarding the Face Republic products, yung sunscreen, yung BB cream, yung moisturizer, love how it does well on top of makeup. It's very lightweight. I love all the three products and definitely this is my favorite product of all. And actually meron din silang sunscreen, yung Super Screen Sun Gel SPF 50, this one. So if you guys would want to buy, just check out the description box down below. So I will just change my clothes and put on the fake tattoos and add some accessories. So 3, 2, 1. My hair just curled on its own because I did it on a bun. And I actually bought this necklace just for this transformation. Actually, it's very big. Ayan. So I will put it here. You know what? Papagalitan ako nito. If my mom sees this, I don't know. I also have a nose nose ring right here. I bought this at Shopee. I was just gonna put the link down below.
Everyone's lining up to see her.
Oh my god!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her feet.
I love the nose ring. Feels real. You know, I've been really wanting to transform myself into an Asian bad girl because it's the complete opposite of myself. Like, I don't dress this way, I don't have tattoos, and I will never have tattoo. Like, I can have as much piercing that I can, but no to tattoo. Walang kabala after. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And see you on my next one. Bye!
What's under the subtle smile? We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.